Hi, it's Marcy Klein from Klein Creative Media. Wanted to do a quick shout out to WBEC West to thank them for the procurement conference last week in Tucson, Arizona. One of the things I loved about this conference was that platinum suppliers were invited to pitch to corporations. And what we learned in the platinum supplier is how to not only pitch, but to also support each other as women. One of my favorite things that I actually learned in the platinum supplier class was from Jamie Lomax. She has this acronym that she coined called HASU, Hook a Sister Up. I have been embracing the term HASU and using it to support other women, sharing relationships, talking each other up, and making sure that women are supporting women so we can have more seats at the table. I would highly recommend the Platinum Supplier. There's so many tips and tricks that they provide in that course that help you make your business better and help support other women's businesses. So in conclusion, thank you Jamie Lomax and Marianne Ellis for an amazing Platinum Supplier experience, and another shout out to Dr. Pamela Williamson and the entire WBEC West staff for all you do to help bring women up and help our businesses grow.